All right, guys, so what's up? Not much. As you can see, got to roll the fenders in the back for the new wheels. They came out all right. Still got to get some tires for them, but we're just getting the back straight together right now. So picked up fender roller from my boy, and we're gonna roll these fenders in the back. Kind of just gonna do this a quick video because I'm really just rolling the fender. It's not that freaking hard. So I had to put this jack in here to kind of push the suspension down some more because the car is so low that the fender roller won't fit. Like even with the fender roller maxed out, it can't go any lower, but it still won't fit. So we had to put this in here just to kind of push the suspension down some more so I can get the fender roller in here. So kind of step one, jack your car up, use a jack stand, pretty simple. Bolt the fender roller on. You have to put these little, let's see this over here. Yeah, you got to put these little spacers behind there to make sure the fender roller is straight and kind of in the middle. So when you roll it, it's in the middle of the thing. Other than that, yeah, you just make sure you heat your fender up before you roll it because you don't want your paint to crack. The car is actually pretty fucking filthy right now. But yes, I got to wash it. So what we're going to do here is just kind of clean this out with like a rag or something because you don't want any dirt or debris in it here when you roll it up. Two, I'm not doing a full roll. I'm kind of just taking it from maybe like this and kind of just doing that. I'm not going to flatten it out and pancake it all the way across because I don't need that much of a roll. Sometimes cars come with like some rubber sealant in here and you want to make sure that's out before you roll the fender up because if not, it won't be able to pancake it flat. But other than that though, I mean, I'm going to just put some heat on this and then just kind of bend these up just to get it started. Other than that though, it's not too bad. Pretty easy. I already did that side. I figured, well, hey, why don't I go grab the, GoPro, give you guys some footage real quick because I know you guys probably want to see the fenders roll. But yeah, the other side came out good. It was only like a 10-20 minute job. Not too bad. But yeah, so I'm going to just get it started because as you can see, even when I spin this out, so I'm going to spin it out. Yeah, see. Right here, it's just gonna run into the fender. So what I'm gonna try to do is angle this up and kind of just bend it up. And then once I kind of bend it up a little bit, then I'm gonna heat them up and then actually get it smooth. Because at first it's a little hard, I guess, because the car is pretty low. Just bend this edge up a little bit just to kind of get the fender roller started. And then once I get it started, then I can start rolling it on there. So, all right, it's kind of the step one of how to do it. Once you roll it up, make sure your fender's hot. I say most is like hot to touch. If you can't like put your hand on it and keep your hand on it, your fender is not hot enough. So try to get the paint and the actual metal pretty hot in here. Two, try to blow from the backside in here also. That helps too. But other than that though, it's just rolling a piece of metal. I mean, all you're doing is just rolling this lip flat. So not that hard to do, but all right, so let's get to rolling. All right, guys. Well, this is finished product. Camera's about to die, so it's probably gonna die any minute. But as you can see, there's no longer a lip on the inside of this. Our wheels should fit very well in here now. We shouldn't have any rub issues. I did kind of flatten it out a little bit, but it definitely can. There's still a little gap here, so it can be pushed a little bit more, but I don't know. Not bad. Finished product, cheap. Gets the job done pretty easy. Now we probably should go wash this thing because as you can see, look at the dirt. Like, Jesus, dude. You gotta wash your car, dude. So, yeah, so, all right, fenders rolled. Once we get the slicks for these janks, we will go ahead and do the front. And that's probably what most people are gonna need problems on, is rolling the front, not the back, because the back really doesn't need much of a roll. But, all right, guys, later.